Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here in this video we'll see why sometimes your camera might not be opening for certain apps in your laptop. So here what you need to do is to open your camera on your laptop or on your desktop without any problem or without any error. First of all, you have to go to your settings. So for settings, just click on Windows and type in settings here. You'll get the setting. By default, you'll be in this home page of settings. You have to go to this left bar, privacy and security. On this left bar, there will be privacy and security. Just click on that, and here straight away go to this called camera. And in camera, you can see by default it would be on, like your camera access, let apps access your camera, all these things. Just check in that whether that app is toggled off or on. Sometimes what happens, for example, for image teams, this might be toggled off, and you'll be wondering why my camera is not working in MS Teams. So make it toggle on, and preferably you can simply switch it off and switch it on again, so that all your apps, whichever apps asks for your camera, will be given permission to use your camera. And this camera access, you can switch it on and switch it on. So just make sure, the point is just make sure that this toggle button is switched on for your camera access. Then what you need to do is simply check whether your camera is actually working or not. So for that, simply click or simply this is the search button. As you can see here, simply write camera and this app will open up. For example, if I open up this camera app, you can see this camera has opened up and this camera is working. Well, this is my laptop and this is my default camera that I'm using, and it is working well. So this is how you check whether your camera is working, or troubleshoot if sometimes for some apps your camera is not working. So friends, that's it. I hope you learned something useful today. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos. So till then, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.